I was born in a small town in Russia and grew up in the chaos of the 90s. We did not have much, but we had education, and I loved mathematics and coding. Solving problems gave me a sense of control when the world around me did not make sense. Later, that love for logic turned into a career in software engineering. I worked hard, moved up, and eventually ended up in Silicon Valley, the dream place for every engineer. There were perks, smart people, and international travel. I could finally afford to live well and explore the world. It looked like success, but inside something did not feel right. I realized I was solving problems not for people, but for profit. My skills were now helping retail companies to sell more things people didn't really need, but were convinced that they did by clever ads and marketing. Engineering is a beautiful thing. It can make our lives safer and easier, but somewhere along the way, I started asking myself, is convenience the same as happiness? That's when I began noticing a pattern. Technology connects us, but somehow we all feel more alone. I saw brilliant people burnt out, constantly staring at screens, chasing meaning in a world built on distraction. I was part of it too, building systems that kept people online longer instead of helping them to slow down. I started to see that all the progress around me was missing something. The phones, the apps, the algorithms, they are designed to keep us hooked. And the more I saw that, the more I felt that my work no longer served what I believed in. So I quit. And yoga has always been a part of my life, and it has always been more than stretching to me. It's a way to understand who we are beneath our thoughts and emotions. After I quit my engineering career, I finally had time to go deeper. So I spent some time living in an ashram, following a strict schedule of meditation, postures, breathing, and silence. It felt like coming home. That's when I got certified as a yoga instructor. I did not do it to start a new career. I did it to bring peace to myself and maybe to others. After years of chasing productivity, I wanted to learn how to simply be. And now I live in the woods. I wake up to the sound of rain on the trees. I teach yoga, helping people reconnect with their bodies and breath, and continue exploring what it means to live consciously. Quitting my engineering career was one of the scariest things I've ever done, but it also feels like one of the most honest. I no longer want to contribute to the constant noise, the endless stimulation, the addiction to progress. I still admire engineering, I still love solving problems, but I believe we've gone too far in serving systems instead of serving people. We've built a world where convenience matters more than connection. And I just could not be part of that anymore. If you're watching this on your phone, I'd like to ask you something. After this video ends, don't scroll. Just put your device away. Step outside. Take a slow walk. Breathe in the air and feel your body. And remember that life is short. You need to live it.